What's going on, everybody? Weak Sauce Boss here with another hobby box opening. This is going to be the new 2019 Panini Diamond Kings baseball. It's got 8 cards per packs, 12 packs per box. There's at least either 2 autos or 2 memorabilia cards. Most of the time, it's one of each within the box, and then there's other short prints and variables. On the side here, you can see hobby exclusive inserts include the rare downtown, retro designs from 02, 03, and 04. On the back, it doesn't really give you odds. It just gives you the cards that are numbered and what they're numbered to. So let's see what we got. I've seen a bunch of people open them. Some good stuff, some not so good, but they look kind of cool. So let's get into it. Take all the packs out. Looks good to me. Alright, let's start this up. First pack. This one feels thick already. It is. We're going to go to that one next. Start with a different one. Alright, so this is what the cards look like. This is Cionel Perez rookie card for Houston. And that's what the back of the cards look like. I believe there's only 100 regular cards, and then 100 to 150 is, I'm sorry, 101 to 150 is going to be short prints. So there you go. Luis Severino. And you have Grover Alexander. This is going to be a older player, obviously, for Philadelphia. Still card number 13, so it's not a short print. We have Miguel Cabrera turned backwards. Let's see what we got here. It's going to be a plum portrait card, or frame card, I'm sorry, of Miguel Cabrera. That looks pretty cool. And then we have the 300, which is 300 game winner, Tom Seaver for the Mets. See if that looks, yeah, you see the back of that one there too. It's cool. Sean Reed Foley for Toronto. Jackie Robinson. And Corey Kluber. Not a bad first box. Sorry, pack. Could be spacers in here too. That could be what's being thick. So we'll just have to find out. Giancarlo Stanton. Honus Wagner. It's a cool card. Still not a short print, but still, it's a very cool card. Walker Buehler. Not a rookie anymore. Eddie Stanky. It's a pretty sweet name. Yeah, there's that filler card. Javier Baez, Heirs to the Throne. These actually have another player on the back. For this one's going to be Ryan Sandberg. So that's nice. That's a cool insert. Roger Clemens. Hank Greenberg. And Alex Bregman. Next pack. Tris Speaker from Boston. Dakota Hudson rookie card from St. Louis. Pee Wee Reese from the Brooklyn Dodgers. Michael Kopech. Another filler. Heirs to the Throne, Blake Snell. Who could be the back of that for the Rays? David Price. Alrighty, not bad. Stan Musial. Carl Erskine. And Salvador Perez. Vladimir Guerrero from the Expos. Jacob deGrom. Walter Alston, the manager for the Brooklyn Dodgers, it looks like. Looks like we got a hit here, so move that up. That is a flashback card of Vladimir Guerrero. I don't know if that's anything special or not. Let's check it out. Not numbered, but still a cool looking card. Chris Sale. Kiki Kyler. Chance Adams rookie card. And then we have this guy again, who will reveal our hit. It's actually upside down, so hopefully you didn't see it. Looks like it's sideways. Maybe not. That's an autograph of Kristen Stewart for Detroit. So a dual patch auto. Not numbered. Not bad though. It's our first hit. So the other one will either be, most likely going to be just a relic card. But you never know. We could get another auto. It's a pain in the butt to open these. We got an Aaron Judge, Joe Jackson, Luis Urias for the Padres. We have a Mike Trout, seems like another frame card possibly. Oh, I don't know why that was backwards. Looks like just a regular Mike Trout. That is a short print though, as you can see up top on the left, 133. So, maybe that's why, because it was one of the short prints. Then we have a Gallery of Stars Ronald Acuna Jr. card. That's a cool looking card. See if there's anything different on that. Not numbered, but I don't know if you can tell there's a different texture to it. It's a cool card. Brooks Robinson. Rogers Hornsby from the Cardinals. And Joey Votto. All right, almost halfway through here. Starting off with JD Martinez. Bryce Wilson, rookie pitcher for Atlanta. Jeff McNeil, rookie. We have a crowning moment, Pedro Martinez. Framed card. It's a cool card. Another interesting card here. Justin Verlander. Number 35 in the top left corner. Not numbered. Interesting card though. I'll have to look into that one. Joe Sewell, Ricky Henderson, and Corbin Burns for the Brewers. All right, second half. Kyle Wright, Nolan Ryan, David Fletcher, rookie. Wade Boggs turned around here too. Once again, no idea why. Oh, you know what? That's a variation, is this gray back border. So as you can see, the normal border looks like that. And the left side has that gray border, so that's a variation. So that's cool. Little Wade Boggs. And Kirby Puckett. I guess these are, the top left is the number of the card. DK 205 series. I don't know much about those. I'll have to look into those. But Kirby Puckett there. Roger Maris for the Yanks. Kevin Newman rookie card. And Jimmy Fox. This one's super fat. I think this is the next hit. Super fat. I don't know if you can tell there, but it is. Whatever, we'll find out. So Cedric Mullins rookie card. Miguel Andujar. Hopefully he comes back soon. Doubt it, but I hope so. For his sake. Jake Bauers rookie for the Rays. Nope, for the Indians now. Just in his Rays uni. Chipper Jones. Freddie Freeman, back-to-back Braves there. Joe Wood. And then, oh, here we go. Heirs to the Throne. Chris Sale. And Pedro Martinez. And then Joe Wood will reveal our next card. It's backwards once again, so we're just going to do this. Oh, that's pretty sweet. I will take that. A Fernando Tatis Jr. patch and bat piece, number 299. Number 39 of 99. It's a cool card right there. Nice. He's definitely going to be in the running for Rookie of the Year this year, I think, in the NL. And then when Vlad comes up, I'm assuming him as well. But that's a cool card right there. Bat and patch. Johnny Bench. Mel Ott. Ryan O'Hearn rookie. Larry Doby from Cleveland. Frame card. We got a Harry Heilman outfield for Detroit, 1919. Diamond Kings card. I don't know what that is. Series. Once again, I don't know much about that one. I'm going to have to look into it. DK 15. It's a cool card, though. Luke Gehrig. Old School Yanks. Love it. Matt Carpenter. And Charlie Keller. Last 3 packs here. All right, Ted Williams. Take him next, rookie. Chipper Jones again. So, wouldn't be surprised if we start to get some duplicates. Adrian Beltre. I don't know what that one's about. Oh, it's a short print again, 128. So, cool. We have a Larry Walker flashback. Once again, I don't think that's numbered, but those are cool cards. Aaron Nola. Kevin Kramer. And then Babe Ruth. To end that pack. Nice. 2 more packs left. Freddie Freeman, again. Joe Wood. Chris Shaw, rookie. There's our artist proof, which is a good one to get. Juan Soto. Get one of those per box. I'll take that one for sure. We have a George Brett portrait card. It's a cool looking card. See if there's anything in the back. Not numbered, but still a cool card. Colby Allard for the Braves, rookie card. Joe DiMaggio. And Max Scherzer. All right, we're coming up on our last pack. Hope we get a little something good in here. Maybe a numbered card or something. We'll see. Ty Cobb. Sam Crawford. Got a Ronald Acuna Jr. Zach Greinke. Crowning moment. It's another one of those cards I don't know much about. Still cool. We have a Gallery of Stars Clayton Kershaw. I like these cards a lot, actually. Kristen Stewart, rookie. Ramon Laureano, rookie card. And Mickey Mantle to finish it off. So not a bad card to finish it with. You can see in the back here, our hits are going to be the Kristen Stewart dual relic auto from the Tigers. And then our dual relic patch and bat piece, number /99, Fernando Tatis Jr., which is definitely our best hit. Very cool. See, there's a big seam in there right there. And then we got the Juan Soto artist proof. So overall, not bad. I'll take it. Let me know if you enjoyed this opening by leaving a like, smashing the thumbs up button below. Appreciate you watching, and I'll be back soon. Thanks. Bye.